welcome to year 2023. I wish all of us the best. And yeah, so we'll be looking at, we'll continue from where we stopped in the last video. So we'll keep practicing. We'll look at different techniques or different tricks you could use to create really nice designs or icons or interfaces. So, but before we continue, um, we let me see. Okay, I think we did a lot of um, Boolean operations. Yeah, when I say Boolean operations, I mean this, by the way. Like if I select this, for instance, I mean these guys: linear selection, subtract selection, intersect selection, exclude selection. Alright, so we can let's see how else we can use these guys because they are very useful actually. Uh, I feel like we didn't touch enough examples, right? We need to like touch other examples so that it can build our confidence and we have perfect understanding. Okay, let's quickly do something. Let's say, for instance, I have this shape, right? I have this shape. Let me bring it out. Then give it a color, fill color black, so we can see what we're doing. And add corner radius to it like this. See this? So now, for instance, this is a single rectangle, right? Now, if we want to have like a stack um, of rectangles, like you want to have them in layers, you know, you could always, ideally, you want to have this in this manner. For instance, let's say we want to have a stack of, let's say, four. Easy. One, so okay, so let's give it a different color so we can see what we're doing. So give it, white is still, let's give it yellow. Then give this other one another color. Let's say blue. So we have three of them like this. You know, looks like a stack, but it's not yet. It's not really aesthetically beautiful. So let's duplicate this guy. Duplicate these guys. Sorry. Keep this here. So we have this now, right? So what we might do again is duplicate this again, right? And duplicate this again, so we can have like extra copies just in case. So I have this guy like this. I might just take this guy out first and then try something with this. Come here. Since if we apply subtract selection, this this yellow rectangle is going to cut itself out of this blue rectangle. So what we have left will be this L shape, right? It's subtract selection. So we just apply that and then we have this. And then yellow was on top, so we bring yellow from here and bring it here. Put it here, right? Then we have black, we can do the same thing to this guy. So blue and black. So we need black. So we can apply subtract selection and then have black like this and then bring black to this guy like this. And then we have it like that. So at the end of the day, we have this stack and then we have this stack. So this looks more graphically pleasing than this. Then I think the spacing here. So we can use Boolean operations to achieve all these guys. Or you can have another stack and have this like this and have the rectangle say color, sorry, blue, right? And if you take this again, reduce the line, take this, reduce it, right? Okay, and that corner relates to this guy's first row. Okay, as a matter of fact, 2 is fine if you ask me. Just reduce this 2 like this. Okay, and have it like this. Mm-hmm. It's looking like a stack. Looking like a stack. We might remove the if it's not looking realistic enough, we might just the same way duplicate this, right? Again, and then try to do something with this. Do this a different color, let's say black, right? Send this. Now this black is on top of it, so we want the blue to be on top. But if you apply subtract selection to these two, this black is going to cut itself out of this blue. That's what we want. We want blue to cut itself out of the black. So it's going to be so I'm going to bring this blue to front of this black. So we select it, then bring to front, and then we have it like that, and then we select. So we want to cut this black into half, subtract. So it looks like a part of it is, has been chopped off. So you can give us that stack effect, just as we did for this. So we have this like this, then I'm bring this here. You see the essence of duplicating it. So we can do the same thing here for the smaller one. This is the smaller one, right? Yes, that's correct. So we can bring this here as well. Change the color to black so we can see what we're doing. Okay. And this is still in front. We want it to be at the back, send to back. Okay. So we want to cut. Let's bring it down so it cuts like straight into half of it. So we have it like this. I mistakenly selected the back one I want. You have to be careful. So we come here, subtract selection, and then we have it like that. And then we bring this on top, like this, centralized, not looking large. And then we bring this here like this. Bring this here like this. Like this. Right? So this looks like a stack, looks more like a stack. Looks more like a stack. See that? So you can add a text element and then it's probably call it my sorry my project. It's so big, so we just come here and reduce the size to, let's say, 28 pixels. Let's see, not bad at all. So you can also have it like this. So my project, so the user already assumes that this is a stack, so you can actually get your project from here. So we have successfully created an icon for my project by using Boolean shapes and Boolean operations. As simple as that. So this, for instance, we can cut out using this. We cut out the yellow from the black, and then we have this. Command Z, I forgot to duplicate it so that I could still have access to the yellow card. You understand? So I can place it back into that same space. So cut it out, subtract, and then I have it there. I can now bring this guy back here just to give that effect. You see that? So we can achieve a lot of things using Boolean operations and all of that. So moving on, we have let's clean up this environment a little bit. Take this out like this. So why do we design? Why do we design? What do we or what do we intend to design? You know, we are UI UX designers. We are UI designers or UX designers. UI meaning user interface. That means if you are if you are user interface designer, it means you design websites, you design web pages, you design app pages. You know, design interfaces for software, for applications and all of that. That means you design the actual interface. That's what the user interacts with. I mean, like even not only that, you could also design interfaces for software, new applications or browsers. You know, basically, the point I want to draw out here is that we design digital products, right? We design digital product. That means we design um, product that could be used by users on their phone, on their devices, on the internet. You know, product that they don't necessarily have to hold on to physically, right? So we design digital products. When we talk about digital products, we're talking about web pages, websites, we're talking about mobile apps, we're talking about software, right? So everything we're going to be talking about would not go beyond those guys, right? So first of most, we look at the essential ones, the ones that would really be profitable. Let me put it that way. Really be profitable for you as new entry designers, and also because it's not all about the money. That will also help you grow. Yes, that also help you grow in the field, you know, and also make you relevant. That's the most important thing. Yes, it's not about the money, right? But I just feel like you know you can't always you know talk with without talking about the money. Like can't just ignore that part, right? I wouldn't want to um, sugarcoat it, right? But then you can always stay relevant. That's the important part for me, though. Relevance is very important because if you are relevant in the first place, you would always be called upon, and the project will always come to you, and of course, you always get paid, right? You always get rewarded, right? So that's except you say you don't want money. So fine. So these guys are going to make us relevant if we master them well, if we learn how to like create them, learn how to understand how users behave when they use them, learn how to perfect our skills around these guys. It's really useful, really important, right? And like I said earlier, it's profitable. So products such as web pages are very important. Let me put the text element. So web pages, web, web pages, well, and then apps. We have apps, also known as applications. Yes, applications. So these are programs, applications are softwares you can run on your mobile phone, or mobile devices. You know, you just download the application and then you install it on your mobile phone and then it works. And then it works. Yeah, you design the interface, right? You design the interface. Then web pages, you have web pages to actually um, convey what a brand is about. You know, you have different sections in the web on the web page. Let me remove the layout grid here. No, not remove, not hide it, so you can see what we're doing. So I have these two guys. I'm gonna increase the size so you can see what we're doing. Right? You have this like this, and then you also have softwares. You also have softwares. You can design software. You can design the interface of software. Basically, design interface of software. Right? And this, let me call this mobile apps to make it clearer. Mobile apps. Mobile apps. Okay, that makes sense. And here, under this, we have specifically we have landing pages. Let me put it that way. landing pages, landing pages, right? Um, this thing, so it shows that this is the subheading to this, right? Landing pages. Mhm. So we have these guys. So you design all these guys, or you learn how to design all these guys, and then you become relevant in the design field. So um, when we talk about web pages or websites, the website is like I always say this, it's like a big house. It's like a big house, someone's home. That where you have different rooms, you have different, you have kitchen, you have different departments. You have kitchen, you have study, you have the gym, you have you have the bathroom, you have the master bedroom, you have the lobby, you have you have different spaces inside that building, big building, or it would be a duplex, a 5 bedroom duplex, 4 bedroom duplex, or a bungalow, or a 5 bedroom, 2 bedroom flat, mini flat. Basically, you have different sections. That's how a website works. That's how a website works, rather. That's how it works. You have different sections, and then you have doors to each of those places, or rather, those places are defined, like such that you know that this place is different from this place, right? So there are different sections. There are different sections. So where a landing page is actually a standalone page that links to, most times it links to the website, right? So if you have a website, the brand has a website, they always most likely have a landing page that links to the website. So the landing pages are used to like get get users, like to get leads, to get users to to come on board, right? It's like a web digital marketing people use it a lot, right? They use it a lot. It's like a call. It's filled with call to actions actually, because you are prompting the users to join the moving train, to come deal with the business, you know. So it's like that, and it's used to build trust. Yes, it's used to build trust, and it also showcases the value of the business. I mean, you um, why should you deal with the business? Why should you patronize the business? I said this once before, like landing page is an advanced version of a hero section. Hero section normally is that section of the website that conveys the value proposition of a business, or yes, of a business, of a brand on the website. That's the first section you see after the navigation menu. Like when you come, let's see, for example, if I check this website I have here, um, let's try it. Let's check this. So, for instance, this is still loading. These are images, right? These are images with animations. So, we can also say this is like a video, but this is the hero section of this website, right? You have other sections within this website, right? Down to the footer, this is the end of it. This is the navigation menu of this website. This is where you can go to other pages and scan and look for, go directly to the page you want. If you want this particular page, you click on it like that, click on it, and then go straight to the point. The logo brings you back to the home page, and then if you want to sign in, you have it there. So this top part is the navigation menu. This whole top part is the navigation bar. But here is the hero section I was talking about. In this hero section, if you notice, it's straight to the point. If the text element is telling you exactly what the business is about, like what this brand is about, like the key value, the core value you would get if you decide to work with these people, you decide to work with this brand or this company. They are sort of like patronizing, like what, like calling you to come on board. Yes, I'm calling you to come on board, and then there's a call to action. So here it says reliably access bank account, reliably access bank account, right? Although I really don't agree with this, I don't think this is really effective. I don't think this is unique enough. I mean, anything that has to do with banking, and is using any brand that has to do with banking or in the banking industry, and and uses access as a keyword or as a word uh, in their advertisement pitch or campaign, it's actually a no for me because Access Bank is a strong brand in the field. So if you are using Access, it might be causing some you know some errors in the campaign. You might just feel like okay, you are related to Access Bank and somehow, or you are affiliated in a way. So it kind of brings the brand under the shadow of Access Bank. But that's by the way. Let's just read that. But here it says that reliably access bank account. Okay, maybe you don't understand that yet. You still have to read. There's this subheading here. Mono helps businesses to access high quality financial data and direct bank payments. Okay, so this explains further. And then you have the call to action. Get started for free or contact sales. You have the option, and then you have this image, explaining what this text element just described. So in between you have the mono, and then what is this? Maybe this is a business, and then you have accounts, you have different bank accounts, right? So this bank accounts linking to the business, and mono is in between. So mono, so you can access bank account through mono. So, well, I think this is not bad, but then you got the message here already. This is the euro section. This is telling you about the business. This is trying to build your trust. It's pitching the goal, the value of the business. So the user comes here first up and then they read this. But the reason, this is the reason why this is bold, why this is big, inside, so that you can easily see it, right? And then call to action is there, and then the image is also big and bold and somewhat clear so that you can see it, and then there's a call to action. So this is hero section, and this is similar to what the landing page does. A landing page, let's see if we can get an example of a landing page. For instance, let's see, mm, mm, let's see, Burberry, Burberry landing page. Burberry. Okay, so this is the official website of Burberry. You can see us.burberry.com, and then burberryplc.com is, where is it? Okay, let's see. Now we have three options. Let's confirm which is which. So this is the first one, burberry.com. Open link. Then there's another one. This is definitely the official website. It's not a landing page. This is also the official website. Then you have burberryplc.com. Let's see. Right. So the first one is okay. AU australia.burberry.com. So this is an official website for a different country. That's why you have all of this, add to cart. You have the cart, the bag, shopping bag. You have the account icon, you have the search icon, you have all the categories you can shop from. So this is definitely an official website. Let's check this guy, burberryplc.com. Okay, okay, okay. There's a video playing here. Here you have company, investors, responsibility, people, news, contact. So this is not really directly talking about sales, like buy product now. Like this doesn't feel like home like shopping page. It feels like a page that is talking about the brand itself, that is advertising the brand, that's talking about the brand as a whole. That's why you can see Burberry company, purpose, unmistakably Burberry, business model, strategy, history, board of directors. So this is all about the business. Investors can read, can see responsibility, products, planet, people, news, contacts, you know, and then you have um, the video playing like this, and then you have about Burberry here. Burberry is a British luxury brand headquartered in London since being founded in 1856. Burberry has been guided by the core belief, blah, 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 blah. You have results, climate positive, new store concepts. You have all of these guys. You see, all of these guys are talking about Burberry. So as a new user, we just by clicking on the link lands on this page, you would feel like yes, you should actually try out Burberry store and pick one or two items. You might fall in love with the brand and feel like yeah, I think I like this brand. Wow, it's really nice. I've read about different things about them and their registered offices here. Stay in touch, useful links, all of that. You can follow them. Basically, this page was designed to capture the minds of new users and to get them on board. And this is a perfect example of a landing page. This is a perfect example of a landing page. I see the video is still playing. It's supposed to captivate the user's attention, and that's to discover our heritage. So probably when you click on this, for instance, it takes you to the actual official page of Burberry where you can actually search for products and make purchases, right? The trend code, the check, history, company. Now, there's a funny thing that could happen here. This is a shopping cart or a bag, right? If you click on this is meant to be for sales, right? Meant to be for when you are purchasing a product, right, on an e-commerce website normally. And this is a landing page, but this is still placed here, right? So if you click on this, let's see what happens. This might take us to the home page where we can buy products. You click on it. You see now it's taking us to the actual website, official website where we can buy products. So it means that ideally, if a user clicks on this bag icon, because our subconscious already knows that we we um, we when we see this bag, it means we want to make a purchase or we want to check. Yes, we want to check what we have ordered online. I mean, we want to make a purchase. We want to have a list, a shopping list. We want to select products. So automatically, the designer was smart enough to place that here, so that if the user clicks on this, it takes them to the home page where they can actually shop for actual products. Maybe you are tired of reading the history and all of that. You just want to, you want to check the product, or you want to see if there's a shopping bag here. So you just click and it takes you to the home page where you can actually select product. Then there's a search icon. You can search for products, maybe bags, enter, and then hopefully this should bring different results, and then you can select, and that's that. So we know how a landing page works now. Landing page is a single page, a static page that describes the value of a brand or the value of a company, the values of a company. It tries to build trust between the users and the company, and it shows the value, the core value of the brand or the business. So it tries to convert the new user. It tries to bring the new user on board so they can they can trust the brand or the business. So, and I said marketing, digital marketing personnel use this a lot. They use the landing page a lot, and it's just by using the link. So when the user clicks on the link, instead of the link taking them to the actual website of the business, it takes them to the landing page where they have the values and all of that, stated on one single page, showing the different things they could enjoy if they join the business or if they patronize the business, basically doing all of that. So we have that like that. Then that is different from now. That's also a web page, right? It's a web page, but it's a landing page. Now, when it comes to the home page, for instance, The home page is like the introductory page of the website. Don't forget, I said the website is like a big house where you have different rooms, you have different sections, just like that. The website also has different sections, but there's a front page, just like the entrance. So the home page is like the entrance. The home page is different from the landing page now. The home page is like the entrance. That's where you come in and then you see different rooms that are available in that house or in that website are highlighted. So even before you dive in, you have the opportunity to see, to scan through all the almost all the content you have within the website, section by section. So if for instance, this is the value proposition area, this is the hero section, telling you in summary what the business does, the value you can get from the business, and then you have this is telling this is like social proof, telling you the companies that trust this brand. This is also trying to build your trust. Then this is now telling you other values, other sections that they have within the website. Build for the future of digital finance, bring tomorrow's solutions to life with our customer focused solutions today. So this is customer focused solution. So this is one solution. Connect. They call this first solution Connect. So start with Connect. So you can click and then dive into the section for Connect. So Connect is within this website, but it is not yet here. It is highlighted here, and there's a call to action that leads you to Connect. So Connect is a different section within this website, but it is highlighted in the home page. This is the home page. This displays all the sections you have within the website. It highlights all the sections you have within the website. It introduces you to all the sections that you have within the website. So they're all highlighted and then they all have call to action so that if you are okay with the introduction and you want to like go deeper, you want to see, oh, you enter a big house and say, oh, I like this. First thing you see in the house is when you enter a house is probably the living room. Yes, you see the living room. Living room is so big, and there are doors leading to other sections or other rooms. And then imagine those doors are labeled, and those doors have handles, and those doors have different colors, and those doors are beautiful. Oh, where is that? Oh, they tell you, oh, that is the game room. Oh, the game room, really? Then you decide to go in, then you push, and then you go into the room. That is how it works here. There's a section here called Connect. So this is a product, and you can click this button here is like the door leading to the Connect section. That's a product of this particular brand highlighted in the home page. So you have that like that. Direct pay is also a product. It's another section within this website highlighted in the home page. This is another product. Percept is also a product and is highlighted in this home page. Then businesses building with mono. Okay, these are other businesses. This is also to build your trust. Then Carbon's personalized loan offers. Okay, this is also showing that okay, this social proof, this is one of the businesses or the banks that work with mono or the banks that use mono. So they are trying to build your trust still. Why market leaders are choosing mono? There are 10 reasons why people are using, other businesses are using mono. It is also building your trust and confidence to show you that they are the right people to work with. So this home page is serving as landing page as well. Yes. So sometimes businesses do that. Their homepage and their landing page are together with the same thing. So if they send a link out in their marketing campaign, the link will still bring the user back to this page. So this page will in turn now serve as a landing page and also as homepage. I hope you understand that. So getting started, we have other links like that. See a demo, beautiful seamless UX, see a demo always. So this is gonna like show you how to use the product, how to navigate through the functions, plug and play SDKs, explore SDK, join us on Slack, start building with Mono, call to action, start now for free, talk to sales, and then you have the links to the different resources, developers, company, about the company, contact, and the rest, and that's that. So this page is a typical example of homepage slash what's it called landing page. I hope you understand that. So it happens like that sometimes. Yes, it happens like that sometimes. That's why I said some companies um, do have a landing page aside from their own page, right? Now, in this case, this company has um, just one page for landing page and one page serving as landing page and also home page. So if you click on this, it takes you to other sections. So, like this, for instance, click on this. You see, this is another section within the same website. You understand? So we are in a different room now. We are in a different room. Access real time financial data. This is a different room. And designer is this design is so interesting so that it still feels like you're on the same page, with this same interaction going on and this same arrangement. Well, I don't know. I don't have a comment yet on that. It depends on the UX and the reason why the designer made it like this. Well, that's a topic for another day. But we have it like why? But this is so like you can notice, like you can easily notice the arrangement, like the similarity in the arrangement. So it still feels like you are in the home page, right? Even when we are already in a different room. Well, let's just leave it like that for now. So you have this guy like that. So as usual, if you click on the home page, if you click on the logo, it should take you back to the home page, right? So you have that. So let's see. So where is the logo? So you click on the logo, it takes you back to the home page, and then you have the home page. If you have to click on another product, for instance, Percept, for instance, request access, take it to another page like that, and then that's how it works. So this is a website, and this is a home page of the website, and it links to it displays highlight different sections within the website. So we have that. Okay, this was from the other page. So we look at another website. This is another home page. This is the logo, our story. This is the navigation menu, and this is the Euro section. Same thing from the hives to your home. It's telling you what's special about the product. So this business sells raw honey. See, 100% raw honey sourced by bees that are carefully nurtured. Okay, then there's a call to action. Shop honey. That's fine. We have images, at the background. It's beautiful. And then from the hives to your home, it's telling you it is natural honey, raw honey, straight from the hives and to your home. Interesting. So this hero section has done the job, and then you have these icons, you know, like you want to shop. You have our story, you have the different categories here. You can select from wholesale, store locator, contact, and then you have the logo, and then you have a banner. Visit us at Chelsea Market, New York City, every day, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Interesting. And then you have this is another section that is being represented. So this section now, to view this section, you can always, this is the door to the section, view all. So if you click on view all, it's going to take you to favorite. Do you understand? So this is a section that has been highlighted. This is another section that has been highlighted. This section is about what? About the family, our family, meet the Johnson. So if you want to know about them, this is a section that has been highlighted. So this is the door to the section, right? Our story. So if you click on it, it's a button. It takes you to the actual page where this information is. But it is highlighted here because this is the home page. So the home page carries links to all the sections within the website. So if you come down here, wow, it's so good. Okay, so these are comments from different users. So this is to build trust. If you notice, all websites have something in common, or all web pages have something in common. They always try to build the user's trust. They always try to make the user feel comfortable, so that they can know, so that they can convert you, so that you can easily patronize the business and stay with them, which is a common thing to do. That's why it's very important to pay attention to quality of your design. Your design has to be beautiful. You have to pay attention to consistency to make sure that you appear original, you appear authentic, and you appear professional, because it's all about trust. It's all about trust. So then you have these are different what are these? Infused for your health. So this is also a value proposition. Why you should buy the product. This is also building trust. Sustainably sourced from our garden. Okay, it's telling you this is from the garden, right? It's not the honey that is being processed and with all forms of chemicals and all of that. So these are the sustainably sourced from the garden. Superfood infused for your health. So this is useful for your health. So in case you are thinking, you are wondering, they are already telling you all what you need to know, and then they are building your trust along the way. So all natural, 100% raw honey. It's telling you this is 100% raw and natural. No added sugars, wax, or pesticides. So before you know it, the user might just find a way to reach out to them, say, okay, contact. So you just come here, click on contact, and just call them. Hey, I just saw your product on your website. How can I get one, please? I need one. Blah 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 blah. Why? Because the website has actually done a great job, and then that's it. So these are different sections. So in this case now, how many sections do we have here? We have this is a section to like for general shopping, shop our honey, like for everybody, like you want to shop. So if you click on this section, it's going to take us to a page that contains all the products that they have to offer, right? Then if you come here, these are another section, favorites that our family loves. That's the favorite ones, the ones that this particular family loves. So you have them like this highlighted, and then you have this button. So if you click on this, so that means this button is going to take you to a page that shows only the favorites. Now that means this button, this door, for instance, is leading to a different place, a different section from this door. You can try it. So let's see. So this open link, then for this open link. Then this door obviously is taking us to a page that talks about the family, obviously, but it's a section within the website, right? So what else do you have? Do you have any other section, any other call to action? No, that's all. So this website is actually simple, but not so simple. Because you still have all these other guys. You have press, you have gifts, you have news, you have wholesale, you have store locator, you have contact, right? Interesting. Then let's see. Okay, this is one of the pages, right? One of the pages. This is interesting. Let's see which one is this. Okay, funny thing is, it's bringing us to the same page, isn't? Wait, this is Isaac and Zoe, and Isaac and Zoe on the left. This will be the lemon, right? Let's see if it's exactly the same thing. Okay, it's exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. All right. This is our story. This is our story. We got this from here. Where is it? From here, right? This door led to our story here, led to this page. And then we have it like this. And then you can read. We often ask how we got started with keeping our journey with you began largely blah 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 best for bees for allergies 2015 2016 first include only blah 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 blah. You have it like that. And you can go back to your home page by clicking on the logo, and that is that. Back to the home page. Interesting. Okay, now there's a point here I want to make. There's a point I want to make. This is the home page. Now, this is the all product page, supposedly, right? All product page, which is not bad. You're supposed to have it like this. Now, this is supposed to be, this other page is supposed to be the favorites, the page that's where you have the page where you have the favorites, right? Our family's favorites, but it's still the same. You still have the same content as on this page, right? It's not supposed to be so actually. So the error is from the company. It's not supposed to be so. Yeah, you shouldn't have. If you're saying favorites, then you should have only the favorite products and not all, right? But yes, we are still working on it, but obviously this is still the same page, and I think definitely for sure customers their customers will notice this too. Their customers will definitely notice it because when you said favorites, it's actually I was actually interested in knowing the selected few that you really like, so I could probably purchase them. But if I'm clicking on it and then I'm still coming to the actual page that showcases all the products, it means something is wrong somewhere, right? So that's that. So it's supposed to lead us to another page, but it's fine. It's a nice website after all. Basically, it's a nice website and it's not bad. So that's that. So let's look at another website. These are other websites. This is the first thing you see. Revolutionary African foods. Don't miss out. Sign up for 10% off your order. And you can type your email address and sign up, and then you have access to um, the page. So this is also a web page. This is a home page. I'm trying to scroll, but these guys keep moving. Okay, okay, okay. So I have to select a product or what? Click on one. Okay, so now I can scroll. Then I have other ones. Okay, so I then drag. Okay, interesting. And drag. Drag the end. I can drag it again. Okay, scroll. Dakar curry, the market with currant, cooks in 5 minutes. Okay, I've from the pillar. $7. Buy. Is this a call to action? Obviously, because the cursor changes to this and so I click on it. So, so it's a call to action. Okay, interesting. Your card is empty. Minimum order is this. Okay, so I've selected it. So $7. So total. Okay, so I want to buy this. Where is the call to action to buy? Checkout. Okay, so minimum order is $18, so I can't check out. So let's see if we multiply this by two, like three, so we can have $21 price. This is not changing. So now the checkout is no longer striped, so I can click on this and check out. Right, interesting. So I can close this for now and then scroll around. So my cart is now showing three. So I can come here and click on the menu. I have this. Really funny about recipes, blog, products, press, contact, Instagram, and that's all. So, okay, these are different options about interesting. So instead of having a list of options, right, as you have in the normal menu that you are used to, like the hamburger menu, instead of having folio about recipes, blog, products, press, contact, Instagram, like that. It's actually in this format. I think this is interesting. So if I hover over this, so this folio as an option, this about, this recipes, blog, product, press, contact, Instagram. Interesting, interesting. So let's see products. We click on products. We take us to product page. So these doors are actually different and funny. It's interesting. They have all the products like this. Okay. So this is interesting. Actually, this is interesting. And then we have it like that. Okay. Let's see another website. This is the other page for checking out. Okay, let's see this other one. This is another website. This is the logo, the hamburger, the menu, the navigation menu, helping mamas thrive one cup at a time. Teas made from super herbs and adaptogens for pregnancy, breastfeeding, and beyond. Shop now. This is call to action, and this is the image to accompany this text element that is trying to build your trust. It's the stuff no one else ever sees. So this is sort of building your confidence, telling you what's special about this product and this image of this beautiful pregnant lady, pregnant woman smiling and looking really beautiful. So it's supposed to build your trust and make you feel comfortable. And then you have the image of the tea, you have the sachets, the wrapper, you have the cup, you have all of that. In reality, you have this again. We believe moms have the power to change the world. Okay, uh, teas can help. This is also value proposition, telling you the value you are going to get from the tea. These mood swings encourage calming and focus states, blah blah blah. You can learn more. These are different sections, right? This is one section. AAPI, Union Owned Food Companies you need to know about. Okay, based on traditional Chinese medicine, wellness teas for every stage. Interesting. For pregnancy stage, breastfeeding stage, and motherhood stage. Interesting. You can shop now. So these are another section. And hello, when I brought home my second baby, I thought I knew it all. So this is like the owner of the business. So she's telling you about herself, be well, and the signature founder, raise roots. So this is the founder of the business. So she's telling you about herself, telling you her story in a way, and this is her image. Interesting. Definitely, this should build any user's trust. So this is a website well crafted. If you ask me, the UX is top notch, like it's 100%. This is a good website because this website will not only build trust, it will also make the user feel very comfortable. Like it will also convert, yes, because the user will want to buy this product because they are hearing from the horse's mouth, and these products have detailed analogy. I mean, there's explanation to everything you can get from this product. It's not hidden. The value is well stated. You can see everything here in every section. Actually, this is a section talking about the value you can get from it. This is another section talking about showing the value you can get from it. This is another section telling you about the value you can get from it. This is another section telling you the value you can get from it. So it's like it's everywhere. Like it's so sure that it's the best product for you. Do you understand? So it's so interesting. You hear super herbs and adaptogens for pregnant women, blah 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 blah. It's the stuff no one else ever sees. The uncontrollable knows here. They are telling you they know the problem, right? It's just there to convince you as a user. So you have no choice but to buy. Ready to fill your own cup, shop our teas, and they are using the right language, right? They are using the right marketing language. So it's very interesting, and then you can just type, and the images are very good. The use of images here is very nice. I mean, you have different scenarios, of someone drinking the tea or making the tea. It's very, very nice, and images are beautiful. Really nice, really, really nice. So you have that like that. And this is another website. So check this in the last video. The hero section, same thing. In the section, you want to buy the product, buy the product, learn about us, don't watch this, don't watch this. So these are different sections within this website. These are different sections, but they are highlighted. You don't have the image and you have the text elements like highlights talking about it a little bit. And if you want to actually dive into it, then you have the call to action, right? So this is the home page. So we know what the homepage does. You know how the kind of information that are contained in the homepage. You know that already. And you know what a landing page is as well. The homepage is everywhere. That's first thing you see when you visit a website. That's the first thing you see. That's the first page you see when you visit a website, and it's interesting. You can always design the home page, and then later on move on to other pages, right? So we would have a design of a website. Don't forget, this is still feedback practice, right? But we just had to learn about the digital products we will be designing from now on, right? So that it doesn't seem complex, it doesn't seem like a strange world. You don't feel like, what exactly am I designing? What am I supposed to design? Am I supposed to design apps? Am I supposed to design web pages? Am I supposed to design softwares? What exactly am I expected to design as a designer, as a UX designer, or as a UI designer, right? Or as a product designer, basically. So this should explain to us already what it is. So it is relevant. It is relevant to actually know how to design web pages, design apps, design softwares, right? It's very, very relevant to design digital products, basically. So it depends on where you find yourself. You might work with a company that designs, that probably um, they, they are into the logistics business, right? So you are going to you can design their website, you can design their website, you can design the interface, the web pages, the home pages, the landing pages. All these things are they're intertwined. It's still in the same space, right? So your home page will be different from other home pages. So the home page design is dependent on the kind of content you want to have eventually. So it's I won't say it's very simple, but it's still simple. I mean, it's very, very understandable once you understand the concept. But there's usually web page, and if you go into details, you don't want to be specific. There's usually home page and there's usually landing page, right? And the home page carries or contains all the other pages within the website. A website is like a home, it's like a big house or a house containing different rooms. It's as simple as that. That's a website. So and the home page is the first page you see when you get to a website. And the home page is like the living room that leads to other links to other rooms within the house. So the home page carries different sections with call to actions that leads to different other pages within the website, right? It's as simple as that. Then we have landing page. Landing page convinces the users to patronize the business or to do with the business. And the landing page is always a standalone, most times, not always, most times a standalone page, a static page, a one-page web page that talks about the business. Everything from top to bottom is talking about the business, talking about the values of the business. So a landing page links to the home page of the website or a particular page or a particular section of the website. Do you understand? So it might not necessarily lead to the living room, it might lead to the kitchen. Maybe the marketing department wants that maybe the business is trying to promote a particular product, for instance, and that product is in a particular section within the website. Let's say, for instance, this is a perfect example. This is the homepage, right, of this particular website. This is mono.co. Reliably access bank account, blah 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 blah. But let's say Mono wants to advertise. Mono wants more users to use Connect, for instance. They want to advertise to users to use Connect. Now, not direct pay, not Percent, not you know any other product. They want more users for Connect, right? And they decide to advertise, decide to work with a digital marketing team. Now, the digital marketing team says, okay, so since you want users to use you want more users for this particular section, so they are going to have a link that is going to direct users to just this page. Do you understand it? Just this page. And this is a section within this website. So the users don't necessarily have to come to this page because they are going to be distracted. They will start seeing these before they eventually see Connect, or they might even see this and decide to check this out. But the idea is the goal is to make sure that users come to this particular page. So there's going to be a link, and this link is going to lead users directly to this page. this page that we have here. So it's to bring them here directly. It's to bring them here directly. So the user might just come here and then and okay, now I think I understand why the designer made it look like the home page still, so that the user, when the user comes directly to this particular section, the user still feels like it's the home page, right? Which is interesting. So you still feel like it's the home page. You are still in the home page, but whereas this is not the home page. This is the particular section where they want you to come. Do you understand? So get started with connect. So that link brings the user to this particular page, which is what the business wants in the first place, to convert more users into using this particular product. So this is a particular section from the home page. So the landing page does that and is not part of the website. It's a static page on its own. So I believe we understand that. So when we come back, we'll design a web page, probably a landing page or a home page, and then that way we'll practice more using Figma. We'll learn how to use different cards, create cards, put text together, text elements, adjust colors and all of that, and then that's it. So thank you.